thought we would be incredible, credible, incredible, incredible. You and me, feels like we're so meant to be incredible, credible, incredible, incredible.
Welcome back! Yo, happy 4th of July, you dig?
Shout out to Chris. This video is dedicated to you because without you, this video wouldn't be possible. Me and Andy forgot our camera at home, so Chris is letting us use his because we suck. Ava, say hi, everyone. She's cranky.
Okay, baby.
And mommy too. Say happy 4th of July.
Say happy 4th.
How old are you gonna be?
1.
You're gonna be 2.
2.
Yeah. So we were getting the backyard ready for the little get together for 4th of July, and then Andy was like, why not go for a swim?
2019 July 4th, almost at 2018. Say what's up, girls. Okay, ignore me.
Yeah, respect your elders, Chris.
We out here. Who's winning right now?
We are, you know, sunlight.
Sunlight.
This is water pong.
Water pong.
We do not condone liquor.
We're not advertising any type of alcohol use or anything. So I was just going to go change because, you know, mosquitoes and everything, so I wanted to put pants on.
I know.
And look, starting to wake up when I walk in it, baby. We all here, you know, same thing. We just chilling. Just chilling. Honestly, we're just literally all sitting here chilling, waiting for the sun to go down so that we can light fireworks. Good job, Dallas. You're sharing so good. Ava, you like the chips? We're about to fix the quality right now. Watch, right now. We got it. Okay.
I'm gonna just do this one right here, right? Yeah. We should do that one first. Let me know when y'all ready. Alright, you ready? Ready? Yeah.
Hold down. Beat back up.
Let's see what BX is.
Oh my God, Andy, the front.
Ni un pendejo.
Chris, back up. Is it going?
You don't know what you're doing, just leave it alone!
Shit.
There you go.
Oh my god. So guys, I know you miss me, but I'm over here in the corner with Ava because you know she's scared and I don't want her breathing in all those fumes and chemicals and everything. So you know I miss you too, whatever. But I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful display of fireworks that we are providing for you. This shit. Oh fuck with the top. It's okay. Okay, real quick before more fireworks. The firefighters just came and was like, you know, because you know we was letting them mad lit and everything. We say, oh, don't light them all at the same time.
Oh, that was toughy. Ah! Damn! Yo, they trying to hit me. Oh! 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 Damn!
Alright guys, finale! Beautiful. Say, be careful, Daddy. We're done. What do you gotta say, owner of the house?
I have something to say. You don't have to take.
Chris is recording just in case his camera dies. It has no battery, but it's recording.
Guys, I have something to say. You enjoy? You please. Okay?
I didn't enjoy it. It was terrible.
I'm dead. Okay, guys, we'll catch you, I don't know, like wherever we decide to close the video. Love you so much. Good morning, everyone. Look, we are here just so no one talks smack, cleaning up all the leftovers from the fireworks, and we're gonna be here, it looks like, for a long time. It's all the way over. Speedy Swifter over there. So yeah, this is what we're doing, how we're spending July 5th, cleaning.
I can't see though. What is wrong with my eyes? We're not popping enough to get copyright problems.
Doesn't matter, we don't want that.
She already look like crispy chicken.
Run!
Yo, you already know I'm in this.
You wanna know something?
That
Oh God! Your diamonds don't dance like this.